What's up, guys? We're getting ready to put some slats in a plasma cutter and put new slats in it. We burn them up probably about every 3-4 months. We got to weld some 3x8 inch flat here. Just going to show you how to do it, and I'll show you the plasma cutter when I slide them in. All right, let's get to it. Bevel the 3x8 flat bar. And I'll show you how to do that. Then we got 8 of these to make up. I already got the other ones cut. They were just straight flat bar. I just stuck them in the plasma cutter. And we'll show you how to bevel them and weld these up and then stick them in. Now we're gonna clean all the metal off. It's got oils on it. It's got a little bit of a degreaser here. Wash them down real good. You see me in the video take the square them up, clamp them down where I don't want both so bad. And just gotta get all this nasty crud off them there. From the steel mill, they put a coating on it, oil or a few other things we put on them to make them not rust. But if you don't get that stuff off, it'll mess up your weld. It'll get frosty in it, stuff like that, and weld won't be no good. But we'll clean them all up, and then I'll start welding. Yeah, don't forget your ground. I know in the video you seen me twice or 3 times forget the ground put on. It won't work. It won't weld without a ground. But let me flip you around and I'll show you the welds. Here's another one. Nice, huh? I ran 17 volts, about 200 wire speed, using 035 wire. 252. This is a 252. Getting ready to put the slats in our plasma table, and I'll show you how to do that. There it is, guys. We got it all done, ready for brand new sheets of steel going to cut it up and make parts. But if you don't change your slats in your plasma cutter after they get old, your parts get off, be out of tolerance, be a lot of stuff. It eats up consumables in your torch. But the way I did it, I put a lot of slats on one side, and then I skipped a section on the other side. When I do small parts, I put it on one side. If I do bigger parts where it can hold it, you don't have that pierce through on the back side. Sometimes you get blowback or whatever you get on the other. If I got bigger parts, I'll stick it on the right-hand side of the machine, and we'll just cut it out. All right, y'all have a great day, and see you soon. Y'all know any parts done, don't forget, you can go to my website. I'll put my website linkage down below, and we'll cut you some parts out, give you a good quote. Like I said, just trying to get back going. I'll show you videos of where the shop was burnt, probably after this video. But just here trying to get it back on my feet. But if you need anything, I'll be happy to quote it out for you, burn it out, weld it up, whatever you need. We're a fabricating shop, and you can help me and help my family. I appreciate it. Thank you. Bye.